Hello my beauties, and welcome to, well, another palette bingo. I kind of wanted to use the Feral palette today, and I was looking at it and I was like, I don't know what I want to create. So I thought, let's do another palette bingo. And it is, as I said, going to be with this gorgeous palette, the Feral palette from Menagerie Cosmetics. And a little bit about how a palette bingo works. The site I use is random.org. I just type it in Google on my tablet, and I put in the maximum amount of shades that are in the palette, and then I just click generate 5 times, because yeah, bingo is 5 letters. So I choose 5 shades. As you see, I have applied my, well, foundation and that kind of thing. I don't know if that's a particularly good idea, because these shades can have quite a bit of fallout, but I'm going to live dangerously today. Let me do it a little bit bigger. It has 12 shades. Can you see that? Yes, I think. So yeah, minimum 1, maximum 12. And if you hear chirping outside, it's is that a robin in English? I think it is. And it's making a lot of ruckus. But yeah, let's generate the first shade. Number 11, and that is the color Ivy, which is this gorgeous dark green color. So let me swatch it. So here is the first one. The next shade is going to be number 1. Okay, that is the color Harmonia, which is a very, very soft pink. That's this color. So let me swatch it underneath. It probably won't show up. It's a very, I used it before. It's a very, very pretty color on the eyes. Soft pale pink. So there is that one. Let me write it down as well. Color number 3. Is number 8. Okay then. Which is the color Night Eyes, and that is that gorgeous yellow. So let me plop that underneath. Yes. Color number 4 is number 7, which is Mariposa. And that is the red. Oh, that's number 7. Okay then. The last color is going to be color number... So the color number 12 is the last color, which is called Cheddar, I think. I don't know, Huey Cheddar, but that is the green shimmer. It is so pretty, that green shimmer. So this is the color story. Well, I am going to think about how I want to incorporate the colors and what kind of look I want to create. And then I'm going to do that. So I think I'm going to need a minute. So I think I have an idea. Let's hope I can stick to it. So let me get a brush. I'm going to start with the red. So I have my brush, which is, it's kind of a denser blending brush, but it's great to, well, stamp on color. These shadows have a lot of kick up in the pan. That means fallout. That means tap off your brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp it in my crease. But I'm going to leave this part open for now. Okay, so that is, yes. Let me plop that on the other eye as well. And I'm going to blend it out a little. And I'm cleaning my brush off on my microfiber cloth. And let's get the color Harmonia, which is that pale pink. I'm going to use that to blend out the edge. And now I have laid down a little bit of that pink. Now I can kinda do small circular motions, windshield wipers to combine those two colors. I need a different brush. So I'm actually switching brushes, and this one is a little bit more not as dense. It's a little bit softer and flexible. More flexible, that's the word I was looking for. Taking a little bit more of Harmonia. Then a tiny bit more of that red, that Mariposa. And kind of place it low in the crease. Like that. Let's see if I can recreate that on the other side as well. So I have those two. Yes, now we have the dark green. Let's place it. So I have a small detail brush. Going to go in that color Ivy. And I'm kind of flicking it up. I don't want to mix it with that red because then it will get muddy. I can, however, mix it with the color Harmonia. So that's probably what I'm going to do in a minute. But I want to bring it down as well. Maybe pull it over here. Like so, yes. I'm taking my brush. A little bit of the color Harmonia. And I put a tiny bit on top of the color Harmonia actually. So not on top of that red, but above that red where I blended the pinky color. And just kinda gently I'll fade them into each other a bit. I think that's funny. Yeah, I think that's nice. Okay, let's see if I can recreate that on the other side. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the color Night Eyes, which is that yellow, and put it in my inner corner and a bit on the lid as well. And let's get that color Huchera, I don't know, the green shimmer, which works amazingly with your finger. It works with a brush too, damp brush though, but it also works really, really well with a sponge tip. And what I'm actually doing now is just polishing up. So I'm taking a little bit of the yellow and bringing it up. Let's get a tiny bit of that nice shimmery green on a small brush. Let me spray it and plop it underneath my eye on top of the lash line. Oh, and that is the look so far. I am going to plop on some eyeliner, some mascara, and then I will be back and show you the look just before my falsies. So here is the look with mascara and liner. And I think the look is really pretty. So if you are leaving it at this, this is what it will look like. And I still think it's really, really pretty. I, however, want to use some falsies. And I have two new ones from Sosu. I have the Dubai and I have the Paris. And I'm kind of debating. I think I'm going to go with the Dubais, which are these. Yeah. So I'm going to plop those on. I'm also going to plop on a lippy. And then I will be back and show you, well, the finished result. So hold on tight. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. So here is the finished look. And I really, really like how it turned out. The lippy that I have is this one from L'Oreal in collaboration with Balmain. And it is a green one. I have never seen these in store. I know you can get them on Amazon. This color is called Balmain Instinct. And I got it in my UK goodie box. So I will link that video down below. They also apparently have a blue one, which I don't have. I only have the green one. But what I did is I added a little bit of the color Huchera and I tapped it on the lippy. So that is what I did. I also added my nice green earrings and a nice wintry scarf. The falsies I have are the Sosu Dubais from Primark. And I think they're really pretty. They're really nice and fluttery and yeah. I like them. I like how the look turned out using the Feral palette from Menagerie Cosmetics. And I think I'm going to call this my... What was I going to call it again? Poison Ivy. Yes, this is my Poison Ivy inspired look. This was it for me. I'm going to film some other videos now as well. So yeah, this is the ending and I'm going to say goodbye. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and all that goodness. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You know the drill. For now, I'm signing off. I wish you all a great day and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.